Welcome to another episode of Famous People A to Z, where we bring you inspiring stories to help you learn English. Today, we delve into the life of Barack Obama, the 44th President of the United States and the first African American to hold this position. His journey, marked by resilience, leadership, and hope, has left an indelible mark on history. Let's explore his story. Barack Hussein Obama II was born on August 4th, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii. His father, Barack Obama Sr., was from Kenya, and his mother, Ann Dunham, was from Kansas, making Barack a product of two very different worlds. When he was just 2 years old, his parents separated. His father returned to Kenya, and Barack was raised by his mother and grandparents. Growing up, Barack was deeply influenced by his multicultural upbringing, which shaped his understanding of diversity and identity. Obama attended local schools in Hawaii before moving to Indonesia with his mother and stepfather at the age of 6. In Indonesia, he experienced life in a developing country, learning Bahasa Indonesia and observing the struggles of ordinary people. At the age of 10, he returned to Hawaii to live with his grandparents and attend Punahou School, a prestigious private academy. Obama's academic journey was remarkable. He attended Occidental College in Los Angeles before transferring to Columbia University in New York, where he earned a degree in political science in 1983. After college, he worked as a community organizer in Chicago, helping low-income communities deal with job losses and housing issues. This experience deepened his commitment to social justice and public service. In 1988, Obama enrolled at Harvard Law School, where he became the first African American president of the Harvard Law Review. This achievement brought him national attention and opened doors to opportunities that would shape his future career. After graduating from Harvard, Obama returned to Chicago, where he practiced civil rights law and taught constitutional law at the University of Chicago. His work in law and education reflected his dedication to empowering marginalized communities. In 1996, Obama entered politics, winning a seat in the Illinois State Senate. Over the next 8 years, he gained a reputation for building coalitions and championing progressive causes, such as healthcare reform, ethics legislation, and tax credits for the working poor. In 2004, Obama ran for the U.S. Senate and gained national fame after delivering a keynote address at the Democratic National Convention. His speech, centered on unity and hope, resonated deeply with Americans across the political spectrum. He won his Senate race by a wide margin, becoming one of the youngest and most prominent voices in the Democratic Party. In 2007, Barack Obama announced his candidacy for President of the United States, running on a platform of hope and change. His campaign was groundbreaking, using social media and grassroots organizing to engage millions of Americans, especially young voters. In November 2008, Obama defeated Republican Senator John McCain to become the 44th President of the United States. His election was historic, symbolizing progress in the fight against racial inequality in America. Obama served 2 terms as president from 2009 to 2017. His presidency was marked by significant achievements and formidable challenges. The Affordable Care Act, one of his most significant accomplishments, was healthcare reform, which expanded insurance coverage to millions of Americans. Economic recovery. Obama took office during the Great Recession. His policies, including the stimulus package and financial reforms, helped stabilize the economy and create jobs. Foreign policy. Obama ended U.S. military involvement in Iraq, authorized the mission that killed Osama bin Laden, and negotiated the Iran nuclear deal. He also won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2009 for his efforts to strengthen international diplomacy. Climate change. Obama was a vocal advocate for addressing climate change, signing the Paris Climate Agreement to reduce global carbon emissions. However, his presidency also faced criticism and opposition. His healthcare reforms were polarizing, and partisan gridlock in Congress limited his ability to pass legislation during his second term. After leaving office in 2017, Obama and his wife, Michelle, focused on writing, philanthropy, and public speaking. His memoir, A Promised Land, became a bestseller, offering insights into his presidency and personal life. Through the Obama Foundation, he continues to inspire young leaders worldwide, advocating for democracy, equality, and social justice. Vocabulary segment: resilience. The ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Diversity, the state of being diverse, a range of different things or people. Prestigious, respected and admired for excellence. Empowering, giving someone the power or confidence to do something. Coalition, an alliance for combined action. Grassroots, involving ordinary people in an activity or organization. Inequality, the state of being unequal, especially in opportunities or treatment. Stimulus, something that encourages activity or growth. Diplomacy, the art of managing international relations. Advocate, to publicly support a cause or policy. Barack Obama's journey from a mixed-race child in Hawaii to the White House is a testament to the power of hope and perseverance. His story continues to inspire people worldwide. Who would you like us to feature next in Famous People A to Z? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories to improve your English.